Images over in Bulacan are just as grim. Towns were also submerged for hours as Enteng dumped heavy rains on the province. This report from mobile journalist Kayla Makantan.
In Marilao, Bulacan, residents of Sitio Dulo Marimel in Barangay Lambaki now have to go around using makeshift boats. Floodwaters here were neck-deep at some point after a river overflowed on Monday at the peak of Tropical Storm Enteng sweep. Many were caught by surprise by the steady and swift inundation in only a few hours. Residents are literally picking up the pieces after the destruction that came after.
Hindi naman din namin alam na biglang tataas yung tubig. Umuulan pero pahinto-hinto. Nakapanghina na talaga kasi hindi pa kami natatapos maglaban ng mga damit na nabahan ng Karina, tsaka yung mga gamit hindi pa nalilinis. Ito na naman si Bagyong Enteng.
Many are still reeling from the recent storm's effects. According to the Marilao MDRRMO, 8 of 16 low-lying barangays in Marilao were affected by massive flooding. Hundreds of locals have temporarily left their homes for safer shelters. In Barangay Poblacion 2, residents who stayed are wading through knee-deep floodwaters from Enteng's rains and the high tide.
Bukod sa flash flood kahapon, may mga nadagdag dahil meron tayong high tide sa oras na ito until hanggang mamayang hapon. Kaya ganun may mga tubig pa rin ibang lugar.
In Maykawayan, Barangay Lawa is still submerged because of the high tide.
Pag kunting ulan lang po, may tubig na dito kaagad, baha na. Tapos kung sumabay pa po yung high tide, gabaywang na po. Conforme po sa lakas ng ulan.
Ito po Barangay Lawa, kaya po kapag bumabagyo, kapag ganyang panahon, literal na naglalawa po siya.
Residents are now appealing for a long-term solution. Raise the level of roads to prevent flooding. But barangay officials doubt this could be done sooner.
Inuna muna po yung pumping. Kasi nga po, hindi magagawa yung construction kung laging high tide, masisira din po. Hindi rin po kasi ma-construct yung area pag lagi may tubig. Kung yun po yung sinemento, babahain pa rin po.
In Kalumpit, Bulacan, high tide and intense rains combined is also a persistent problem. In Maysulao, the barangay's covered court that's supposed to be a safe shelter for residents is inundated. Boats are the usual mode of transportation during these times. Over 11,400 people from 17 areas in Bulacan were evacuated during Enteng's onslaught. Aside from torrential rains and high tide, it did not help any that Bustos and Ipo dams had to release water today to prevent overflow. It could take a while before floodwaters in these parts of Bulacan subside. For News 5, Ria Fernandez, We Are One News.